Hi, and welcome back to the Joy of Painting. Today, we're going to be painting a happy little scene with a nice little waterfall. So come along and join me. So first, we're just going to grab some cadmium yellow and smack it up in the sky. Next, let's just grab some bright red, get it on the brush, and go right around what we have there. Let's make some mountains. So, we're just going to grab some, go, how about right here? Make a big old mountain. Now let's grab some white and slap it right down right here. Get a nice light blue color for the shadows. Grab some of that and just put the shadows right in. Let's grab our fan brush, get some of the color we used for the mountain, and let's make some trees down here. So maybe right here. Maybe there's some grassy areas that go right down the bottom here, so let's just tap those in. And let's go right wherever we want, so maybe right about here. Drag it over and whoosh. There it is. Make some little watery areas under it. Let's just go right along here, right along the side, and put in some happy little indications of land. Straight down with the brown. Pick a place, about right here, and there we go. A happy little tree lives there. I like to think that some moss grows down here. Just goes right on down these little faces of the cliff. Now let's add some grass here on the bottom. And now, maybe there's a tree that'll come right down in front of everything here, so let's put that in. Look at that. Now that's a mighty old tree. So let's add the limbs onto him. Well, with that ginormous tree, I think we're gonna have a finished painting. So from all of us here, I'd like to say happy painting and God bless.